it's Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reattach a rear view mirror. Yep, it's simple, but I will tell you the correct way to do it. So here's where the mirror was attached. Here's what not to do. Somebody has taken a sandpaper or something and dug that all up. Don't do that, that's not gonna help. So what you want to do is on the outside of the windshield, using a crayon or a Sharpie or something, draw where the button was so you have an idea where to put the adhesive and stick the button up when you're at that point. I don't need it because I have this beautiful marker right here. Just put it to the left. All right, so next, using a razor blade, careful, but you want to scrape off the old adhesive, which, wow, is really easy. Make sure you get it all off. So using rubbing alcohol, I'm going to clean this well. Make sure it is as clean as you can get it. And then you'll let it dry. So I used this 3M sanding pad. You can use this on the button. Don't use it on the windshield. You'll end up with a mark like I have on mine. Now we're going to clean it with the rubbing alcohol before we adhere it. Peel here and peel here. So you want to peel this. Try not to touch the towelette. Fold it back. And you're going to put that where the button will go, and on the button. Try not to get it on your hands. Starting a timer, you want it to dry for at least 1 minute. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. It'll be quick. If you're using the 3M product, it wants you to wait like 5 minutes. The Permatex one says at least 1 minute. So now you want to open the adhesive, and it says 1 to 2 drops. Okay, there's a drop, and immediately put it on and hold it for a minute. Make sure you have it lined up. And it is, start my timer, just a couple seconds, and then it's stuck. But the faster you can get it up there, the better. I was probably a little slow, but I think it'll be fine. I'll let you know if it falls off in the description or comments. All right, are we gonna have any luck? And you'll want to wipe this extra here off. There's a little blue tint. At some point, don't disturb the button. It's gotta, so the Permatex, it takes at least 30 minutes to cure before you can hang the mirror. And on the 3M, I think it was 15 minutes. The 3M has a wider temperature window. 3M was, if I remember right, 60 to 90 degrees, whereas the Permatex is 50 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been several hours. Button is on. Take your mirror, slide it down. All right, I literally just had it on here. Tighten it up, don't go crazy on it. All right, well, hopefully this will stay on. It should, but that's how you do it. Those are some of the tricks and key things. Don't overdo the adhesive. Do exactly what the instructions tell you, because they are a little different depending on what brand you use, and be inside that window for temperature. So, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.